In my last video, I told the people we're preparing to rebuild our ninth order. So this is our ninth order for the year. It's mostly sliding soap cutters and a multiple cutter. Okay, so you can see how well we've neatly arranged them. Before we send out our orders, we have everybody's order recorded. So we have to go through our books. We sort everything out. You can see how we've already sorted this one out. We are still trying to check. Maybe the person, some people might order for stamp, some people might say buy chemical, some people might say add this, add extra wire, all that.
It's
All
not
we
only me
check
your video in now, it's these
before we
things
now
now, these
start
cutters now.
arranging them according to each person's order and then seal them up. You see how our sliding sorter our sliding soap cutter comes. It comes with a line mold, a collapsible
Amanda,
line
who
mold.
invites you to
It
the
comes
video?
with an edge trimmer. It comes with a groove maker, and the groove maker is of three types: the one for big laundry soap, the one for small laundry soap, the one that cuts on the surface of the soap. You can see it how it is. We have big size and small size. Okay, so this is also how our stamp comes. It comes with name and logo, although most people use only name. Then after we've done that, we package for everybody. Some people order for extra mold, like this one. Now this is an extra mold. This mold comes with lining and with screws. Okay, so after that, we now seal them up. We don't put them in cartons or in bags because we found out that there is even more damage when we do that. Since the people in the park might not know what is inside, they end up piling things on top of it and then damaging some others. So but when it's open like this, is better. So we are waiting for your orders. This is ZESTA Herbal Soap, Skincare and Lifestyle. Thanks for watching.